We are at Muratec Meiban exhibit area at ACME 2025, and we are with the excited Muratec team, Meiban team here. Sir, would you please tell me more about your MT100 and MW100, more about technicalities, why this machine has been exhibited here in Chennai?
Chennai is one of the largest automotive component manufacturers present, and Chennai has always been very important for us. So, our main product is MW100 with the loader, gantry loader, and MW100 is for mass production for auto components. For those customers for multitasking and process integration, we brought in MT100 this time. It has got a very good response this time, and MT100 can do. It has got 2 turrets. It has got all live tools in all the stations. It has got Y-axis. It's a complete machine for multitasking, and you can finish the complete process in one machine.
How many tools can we actually install within the machine in MT100?
In MT100 is in 2 turret machine 30 tools.
And what about the other machine?
That's you have different options, 8 and different options
And
are
it
available.
can be automated and
Completely automated. All our machines are automated. Yes.
okay. And what is it? What do you foresee in terms of automobile component sales in India?
Well, the last 3 months have been a little bit of a challenge, but I think India is still a huge market because one is about the captive market in India. Second one is we have many component manufacturers who export abroad. So once the present geopolitical situation improves, we strongly believe that economy will improve and there will be very good chances for us.